Cooking out on the grill. Everything's done. We already cooked everything. Oh, it smells so good. I love that smell. Let's see what's going on back here. I heard somebody making noise. Some type of bird or something. I don't see any friends today. Look at all this. We cut it down, it grows right back every single time. Doesn't stay gone. Let's check to see if the armadillos are still coming over there. It's hard to know. Well, I see the little thing. They're probably somewhere digging somewhere else, or not in a nearby area, probably. I bet. There's that big old gaping hole under my fence. Yeah. So now I'm gonna check on these bats. I can't see if they're in there. Can you see? Can't see anything. They're probably in there. Yeah, I think I see that they're in there. I don't know, maybe. And here's the evidence. Back all over the place. All inside. All up here. We'll see. In a few days, the people will come to remove the bats. So exciting. We're excited. It will be safe and they will not harm the bats in any way. Of course, we know that's illegal to harm the bats in any type of way. So they will go through their process. I think it takes about 2 weeks, like where they put something up there to get them to go in. If they can't get out, then they come back and they will remove the item and safely remove them away from the house, and they will seal that. They'll secure that part of my house that came open. They'll of course put that part back. I think you just pop it in. So yeah, so we're not doing much, we're just cooking. Food's already done. It's a beautiful day, a little hot, so I'm not gonna be out here long. The sun will tear my skin up. I get burned very easily. And I think I have some type of sun allergy or sun poisoning or something like that. So I really don't want to stay out here long. Even with sunscreen, doesn't matter. But beautiful day.